Well, it is true. As of the announcement today, Joey Savatgy and Triumph Racing have split ways after racing, what, a third of a year or a third of the series. And apparently, it's all over Supercross. The official Triumph Racing Instagram said, quote, Triumph Racing wishes Joey Savatgy all the best as partnership concludes. A mutual decision between both parties sees the American move on to new opportunities ahead of the upcoming Super Motocross World Championship. Despite extensive efforts to restore Joey's 250SX eligibility, it was only recently confirmed that the Georgia native would be unable to line up for the 2025 250SX campaign. We'd like to thank Joey for everything he's done since joining the team last winter and wish him well for the 2025 season. So that's him gone. That is 66% of the team that started this year for Triumph, the new factory squad, gone. And as far as I've heard, as far as I've read, and this is off of Twitter from Justin Starling saying that he's going to be taking over the Firepower Honda ride that Dean Wilson is leaving, retiring out of, whatever you want to call it. So he's going from, you know, factory squad back to privateer race, but on to 450. Who knows? It's kind of one of those things that, like, yes, is it really annoying for him probably to sign with that team, not knowing that if you can race 250, finding out you can't, only doing motocross, not having motocross going well, and then finding out not only, are they not going to have a 450 ready for you, they're not going to have, or you're not going to be able to race 250 SX again. So here's another year lost. And for him, it's like, what do? I don't race Supercross next year. I try and race motocross and show some speed, and then playoffs. Who knows? Uh, I don't know if he's going to be racing in Charlotte on Honda, or if this is like hey, we've worked out behind the scenes and we'll see where this goes. But this is just another person too that's added to the list of people dropped in the middle of the season. You got Marchbanks, you got him. There was another one, if I remember correctly. And it's just kind of a weird thing that this year there's people leaving teams in the middle of the year and joining teams right after or soon after. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you know what I'm more than I do, but or more than Justin Starling does. Maybe we're both wrong and something else he's going to go somewhere else. But that's what I'm asking you guys. Comment down below. Is this a good decision for him? Bad decision for him? What do you think about it? Back onto the Honda if that's true. And I guess who do you think takes the two empty seats? One rumor is Faulkner, but now there's another one. So who knows? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all here. Peace.